sixth grade. It is the last lesson that we are doing of chapter 5, and then you get us getting on over to chapter 6. Yay! How exciting! Let's go ahead and do it. Lesson 5.5, problem solving with percents. The recommended daily amount of protein is about 50 grams. One super protein cereal contains 16% of that amount of protein. If Stefan, sorry, I got thrown off by Stefan being spelled weird. I'd never seen it spelled like that. If Stefan eats one super protein cereal bar per day, how much protein will he need to get from another source to meet the recommended daily amount? Use the graphic organizer to help you solve the problem. So what do we need to find? We need to find the difference between the protein that Stefan ate and how much he has left in the day. So you can literally write down how much protein Stefan has left to eat in a day. That's what we need to find. How much protein Stefan has left to eat in a day. What information do you need to use? You need to use how much is the recommended protein for the day and how much percent of that he already ate. So again, what do we need to use? What the daily amount of protein is and what percentage he ate. How will you use the information? You'll find the remainder percentage of the recommended protein. So you're going to find the remaining percentage of the recommended protein. There you go. So let's solve it. Again, we're not going to use any of that, and I'm going to explain to you our own way. Remember, a complete is 100%. And Stefan only ate 16% of his protein that he needed. So we're going to subtract 16% to figure out how much percent he has left to eat, because he's only eaten 16%. So he has 84% protein left to eat. We need to turn this into a decimal. So remember, we're going to start here and count 2 places. So the decimal is 0.84. And the recommended protein was 50 grams. So we're going to multiply 50 times 0.84. Because if 50 is the total protein that you need to eat, we need to figure out 84% of 50 so that way we can figure out how many grams he has left to eat of protein. So let's go ahead and do that. Don't forget the placeholder. All right, we have our number. Now we just need to count our loops. Wonderful. Stefan has 42 grams of protein left for his day. Page 206, it says, try another problem. Lee has 65% of the money she needs to buy a pair of jeans that cost $24. How much money does Lee have and how much more money does she need to buy the jeans? So there are 2 things that we're going to find here. What do we need to find? The amount of money that she already has and the amount of money that she needs for the jeans. So again, the amount of money that she has and the amount of money that she needs for the jeans. What information do you need to use? Well, you need to use the price of the jeans and the percent that she has saved. Again, the price of the jeans and the percent that she has saved. And how will you use the information? We'll multiply the decimal of the percentage by the cost of the jeans. So again, we're going to multiply the decimal of the percentage by the cost of the jeans to figure out our answer. Let's go ahead and do it. We're going to start off with the 65%. So 65%, and again, remember, we're going to need the decimal of this, so let's go ahead and do that now. 2 places, and we know the jeans cost $24. So there we go. And now we just need to multiply our percentage that she has saved by the amount of the jeans that she is trying to buy. Let's go ahead and multiply. Count our loops. Awesome. So here's the first part of the problem, okay? How much does she have saved? She has $15.60 saved for her jeans. How much does she have left? Well, to find that, instead of multiplying all over again, we can just subtract. So I'm going to put this up here, $24. And we're going to subtract to find out how much she has left to buy for these jeans. She has $8.40 left to buy her jeans. Now again, if I wanted to do the percentage, I could do that. I would find the difference between 65 and 100. Gives us 35 as a decimal. There you go. And then I would do the same thing. Multiply. Find your loops. It still matches that she needs $8.40 for her jeans, and she has $15.60 saved. So right there in the solve the problem, you're gonna write Lee has $15.60 saved. She needs $8.40 for her jeans. And you need to make sure that you show me your work. So you need to be following along with me and showing that there, or you can go ahead and draw out the model like they want you to. Either way, I need to see your work so that way I can figure out how you found your answer. You can go ahead and cross off number 1 and 2 on page 206. And we are not going to be doing numbers 7 and 8. Again, we're not going to be doing numbers 7 and 8. So you can go ahead and skip that. All right, guys, you got this. You are fully capable. You are intelligent human beings. I believe in you. Best of luck. Panda, 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 panda. Panda Family Productions. Hello, parents of the 6th grade. Hola, padres de sexto grado. Today, we're going to be talking about real-life problem solving with percentages. Hoy vamos a estar hablando de problemas con porcentajes que tienen que ver con la vida real. So, the kids are going to be finding percentages of numbers again, but they're going to be in word problems. Hoy van a estar encontrando el porcentaje de números de nuevo, pero en problemas de palabras. The very first thing that I'm going to do, if I want to find how much I have left to save, is that I need to subtract by 100. La primera cosa que vamos a ver, si queremos averiguar cuánto nos queda para ahorrar, es que tenemos que encontrar la diferencia de 100 y 32. Because I want to know what percentage I have left to save of $200. Porque yo quiero saber cuál porcentaje me queda para ahorrar. So let's go ahead and do that. All right, we have 68, tenemos 68%. Now, to turn it into a decimal, para convertirlo en decimal, remember it's just 2 places this way. Son 2 espacios o curvas para la izquierda. Now we have our remainder. Ahora tenemos lo que nos queda para ahorrar. And we can multiply that by $200. Vamos a multiplicarlo por $200. There it is. So let's go ahead and multiply. Vamos a multiplicar. All right, we have our answer, tenemos la respuesta. Now we just need to count our curves. Ahora tenemos que contar las curvas. So we have 2 places, tenemos 2 lugares. We're going to add 2 places here. Vamos a también poner 2 curvas allí. Our answer is 136. La respuesta es 136. That's how much they have left to save. Eso es cuánto les queda para ahorrar. And that's how they're going to be doing the lesson today. Y así es como van a estar haciendo la lección hoy. Hello, parents. As always, I am here and available for you via text message, Google Hangouts, via email, whatever way that you need to contact me, I am here and available to help. Padres, siempre estoy disponible para ustedes en texto, correo electrónico, mensaje en Google Hangouts. Si necesitan algo, yo siempre estoy aquí disponible para ustedes. And for anyone who is out there watching who is not part of my normal class, if you need help with any kind of math concept or other lesson that I haven't covered yet, please drop a comment below and I would be more than willing to help you out by making a video. Y si ustedes están allí y no son parte de mi clase normal del año escolar, por favor déjame un comentario abajo y me pueden dejar saber qué tipo de tutoría o video necesitan y yo les ayudo con hacer un video. Thank you and have a great day. Gracias y que tengan un buen día.